Hello, welcome to the stream. I'm learning about the basics of the Unreal editor for Fortnite. I'm not a pro programmer. I'm new. So so I'm reading the guide on the Fortnite website about this editor. So this editor uses the language called Verse. So what is this language? Let me check what this language is. What languages are the most similar to the language called Verse? Verse is a unique programming language developed by Epic Games for the Unreal editor for Fortnite, designed as a functional logic language that does not directly map to a single existing language. However, developer and its designer Simon Peyton Jones identify several key similarities based on specific features. Python, Go, and TypeScript, Haskell, and Mercury, and Prolog. Verse is syntactically similar to Python, particularly in its use of indentation to define code blocks and its focus on minimal boilerplate code, making it feels like a scripting language. Go and TypeScript, the syntax for variable declarations and type handling resembles Go and TypeScript, emphasizing a balance between static typing and ease of use. Haskell and Mercury. So Haskell is a functional language. That means it's a more complicated language used by mathematicians. Technically, Verse is heavily influenced by Haskell for its functional programming concepts and Mercury and or Carry for its functional logic programming semantics and declarative nature. And another language that influenced this Verse is Prolog. The underlying logic and semantics are often compared to Prolog, particularly in how it handles logic and inference. While it combines elements from these languages, Verse is distinct in its open source compiler's transactional memory system and specific goal of being accessible to beginners while supporting complex game logic. Okay, so it says, at least the Google AI says that this language is actually still approachable. Which it is how is Verse compared to Roblox Lua? Because we streamed yesterday the Roblox Studio, and Roblox Studio uses a language which is actually maybe one of the easiest languages to learn. So how is Verse language compared to Roblox Lua language? Verse, Epic Games, and Luau, Roblox variant of Lua, are distinct programming languages designed for different primary purposes, though both are used for game scripting and modding. Core differences: design philosophy. Luau is a lightweight, embeddable scripting language derived from Lua, optimized for simplicity, rapid prototyping, and ease of learning for a broad audience, including children. Verse is a newer statically typed language created by functional programming experts to support massive persistent multiplayer games across servers, emphasizing safety, predictability, and functional programming concepts, syntax and complexity. Luau features a simple dynamic syntax with few syntactic structures, making it accessible to beginners. Does not require semicolons and uses English-like commands versus a more complex declarative syntax that may feel less intuitive to new programmers, resembling language like Lisp. Okay, it's like Lisp or Prolog in some aspects, and is designed for more rigorous software verification. I see. Use case: Luau is exclusively used within Roblox Studio. Luau is exclusively used within Roblox Studio to script game logic, player interactions, and mechanics for Roblox experiences. Verse is currently restricted for Fortnite Creative. For creating mods and experiences with no public use outside of this ecosystem at present. Performance. Performance and concurrency. Luau is fast enough for most game scripting needs and can be extended with native C++ for performance critical sections. Verse is specifically engineered to handle concurrency and distributed systems, allowing software to work across multiple servers to support thousands of simultaneous players with features like non-blocking tests and promises. Learning curve. Luau is widely considered one of the best introductory languages for kids and hobbyists due to its gentle learning curve. Verse has a steeper learning curve aimed at developers who need robust tools for complex large-scale game systems, though Epic Games provides lessons to help beginners. I see. Yeah, so it is indeed a bit more complicated, this Verse language, compared to Lua. But let's just check what we can learn from it. Because I also looked into Minecraft. Minecraft is using like Java, and I don't really know. But and also Minecraft doesn't have an own editor. So I found an editor on the internet, but apparently I wasn't able to start it. I can't locate the folder for Minecraft, and my editor is not starting. So maybe I will have to find someone that knows more how to set up Minecraft so that I can use I can type like have a console, and I can type a language in the console. Yeah, I'm not sure. I will have to look into it. So one can test the project in the creative mode client. So does it mean like when I start Minecraft, there is a sorry, when I start Fortnite, there is a creative mode? Or what does it mean by creative mode? Or it means probably that there is a creative mode in this editor. Look, what? What is this? Something about flashing says something about flashing, but am I supposed to know about this? Why do I need this? Why do I need this? I don't need this. Um, hmm. Creating a game. Create a minigame in Unreal Editor for Fortnite using this step-by-step tutorial. Are you ready for your first adventure with Unreal Editor for Fortnite? Follow the steps in this tutorial, and in the end, you'll have a fun one-person shooter minigame. Okay. Learn how to create a game in the Unreal Editor for Fortnite, how to conduct a game test in Fortnite, and how to optimize your gameplay with Verse. Before you know it, you should have a playable shooting gallery minigame, but even better, you'll get a smooth introduction to UEFN. Learn how to create a game with its help. You will learn the following: creating and saving a project, searching for and placing assets, sometimes also called objects, personalizing and play with devices, test your game, optimizing device interactions with verses, using set design to define a motif. Okay, so we are working with the assets basically in this mini game, in this tutorial. Personalizing gameplay with devices, test your game. Test the game. Optimizing device interactions with verses. What are verses? Using set design to define a motif. Okay. So let's start with this. Before you set up your island in UEFN, you need to create a project. You begin your project by choosing an island. For this tutorial, you will use a blank. So we have to start with a blank template. So we need to make a new one, new window, new project. So we have to start with a blank project. No. Open new project, new project. And we need to do blank project. Blank template. We need a blank template, a template that has very little content. When you add a content to the project, it will be saved in your project. Start. Okay, yeah, so the tabs that I already created, they are in the tab My Projects. Click on the island templates tab and then on empty. Yeah, okay. You can name and save your project at the bottom of the window. The default name is My Project, but you can rename it as you like. Mm. Yeah, we can rename the. Okay, and how is it called now, the project? How is the project called? Doesn't say. Okay, over here. Okay. Fortnite tutorial 1. And create. So you can name and save your project at the bottom of the window. The default name is My Project, but you can name if as you like. 3 things you should know about naming projects. Whatever you call your project, that will be the name of this project for all eternity. Okay. What? So you can't change the name of the project? Use only letters, underscore, numbers for naming. Do not use spaces in the name. Okay, yeah. Name your project, create. Welcome to the viewport. Okay. And now what do you show? What does it show? Okay. Well, now it shows this. Perfect. So I didn't have to change the window on the stream. So there is another chat over here. There's one chat and the other chat. Let's put it over here. This over there. Okay, so welcome to the viewport. The viewport shows your island and the objects you place on it. Only standard devices should be displayed at this time. So what do we have here? So we have outliner. What is this? Outliner lists all the actors in the level by name, organized in a tree view. And where is the explorer? Where is the explorer? I don't find the explorer. There is no explorer here. So we have file, edit, window. Maybe we need to, we need to use window to add the explorer window. I'm not sure. Output log. Okay, you have it already here. The output log is in window. If one clicks on window. Hello, Zakai. How are you doing? Today we are doing the Fortnite editor for the first time. So so this is called viewport apparently. This what we are seeing now is called viewport. Yeah, exactly. That is like a Roblox Studio, but it is for Fortnite. You download it. It is for free. You need first to download Fortnite, and then you can download this. It's an add-on for Fortnite. Yeah, remove well, Fortnite is still a lot of gigabyte. I had to uninstall a game to install Fortnite. I've never played Fortnite, by the way. Yeah, I'm more interested in these editors. Remove a player spawn point device. The player spawn point device controls where and how a player spawns on your island. I'm good. Thank you, Zach. Did you ever play my Fortnite? Fortnite? The player's spawn point device controls where and how a player spawns on your island. This so if I click on this guy, yeah, there you go. Yeah, okay, and then, but how do I move like this? Okay, so we have this guy over there. Okay, I like the controls in this editor. It's kind of similar to Roblox. I think Roblox is also similar. So if I use this, yeah, it's the same controls. I can't, there was an update and it made it impossible for you to play Fortnite or what? There was an update? I don't know. I don't know. Mhm. You have to tell me more because I've never played Fortnite. I have no idea. I don't usually play shooters. Shooters are mm, like I play Minecraft. I think Minecraft is kind of a shooter, but yes, it's kind of a shooter. But it's like more survival actually, Minecraft. But you can play it as a shooter as well. I saw people doing fights in. You can't join. I see. Okay, so there is this player spawn point device. This template starts with 2 spawn points. Those are spawn points. Okay, those are points where one gets respawned. This template starts with 2 spawn points, but since this will be a single player game, you can remove one of these two of the spawn points. Okay, we can remove one of the spawn points because this is a single player. Select. Hello. So Zacharias. What do you mean? What do you mean? This I did what I'm doing now? No, I'm just doing I'm just doing the like the tutorial that is for free on the main website. So I don't know what this is about. It says now that it's a single player game, so it's not even a multiplayer. Single player game. You can remove one of the two okay, we can remove one of the two spawn points. Select one of the player spawn points devices in the viewport by clicking on it. Note that the device is highlighted on the right in both the viewport and the outliner panel. The device is highlighted on the right. Okay, what is that? Okay, is this details? Player one spawn pad, instance, etc. I see. Yes, I got yes. In order to use this editor, you need to download first Fortnite. So I have it downloaded. Yes, I haven't set it up, but it's downloaded. It's like 60 gigabyte. It's a 60 gigabyte game. It's kind of big for the games. Yeah, it's kind of big. It's kind of big. But I had a strategy game that was like about 90 gigabytes, and I just uninstalled that one. Yeah, hello and welcome to all people that are watching. We did yesterday a Roblox Studio, which is the editor for Roblox, and we're doing today the Fortnite editor, and we are learning on the go. So we're checking the guide that one can find on the main website of Fortnite. Yeah, there is a player spawner. Player spawner. Player no. What? Where? This is called player one, but on the tutorial it is called player spawner. Okay. Press the delete key on the keyboard and the spawn will be cleared. All right, let's do that. By the way, Zach, did you ever do, um, did you ever create a game on Roblox Studio? How do I delete this? This, like this. There you go. If you're still there. So, mm, mm, autosave, save now. Okay. Yeah, I press the delete button. Then now we have only one spawn to do our single player game. Save your project. Yes, I think it was saved, but we can check that again. File, save, current level. Yeah, it was saved. And we saved it again. Save current level. Okay, I can also use Control Save to save it. Okay, save current level. Okay, yeah, it's automatically saved every 15 minutes. Yeah, did we just do 15 minutes? Yeah, we did 15 minutes. We did already 30 minutes stream. UFN automatically saves your project. You can change the storage frequency by going to Edit, Editor Settings, Edit, Editor Settings, Editor Preferences. I see. And then editor settings, change some island settings. Each island in Unreal Editor for Fortnite automatically has island settings that control specific parameters for that island. The settings here are the same settings you can find in Fortnite creative mode. Ah, okay. Yeah, but I've never played creative mode. So what do you do in creative mode in Fortnite? I wonder. What does it say about Fortnite creative mode? What is this? Fortnite creative. Mm. It's the third main game mode in Fortnite. Released in 2018, allowing players, that is a long time ago. Thank you for the like, Dai Hyun Han. So it was a Fortnite creative. Was created in 2018. It allows players to create, edit, and share their own islands and mini games. Access players can switch to creative mode from the main menu or the Battle Royale lobby, where they spawn in a hub world to select between featured community maps or their own private islands. Okay. One can select between a featured community map and their own private islands. I see. Core features. The mod provides a vast library of assets, including prefab structures, devices, vehicles, turrets, and consumables alongside a creative phone for editing and moving placed items. Okay, there are prefab structure, so assets basically, devices, vehicles, turrets, consumables. What are consumables? Yeah, probably yeah. Those there are apparently okay. So there are consumables also in Fortnite. Sorry guys, I've never played Fortnite, so I'm learning about this game, the game on the with Google. There is a creative phone for editing and moving placed items. A creative phone? Evolution. Originally a sandbox editor, it has expanded significantly. As of Chapter 5, it returns on Unreal Engine 5, offering tools like custom assets, terrain editing. Okay, cool. So you can, it's kind of basically similar to Minecraft creative mode. And scene graphs for deeper creation. Users can customize game rules, can set team parameters, can toggle settings like infinite ammo. Ah, okay. So you can do everything. Like a god mode, basically. Before starting sessions for friends or the public via island codes. Okay. So what's this next here? Yeah, okay. So we have the island settings. These settings affect many of the rules of your game. This is tutorials for a single player shooter game. You will see how to use the island settings to support this type of gameplay. Okay, so we learn a little bit of also of the Fortnite creative mode that has also these island settings. If the details panel is not yet open, go to menu bar at the top of the viewport, click on window, then on details. Window, details, yes, and then menu bar, yeah, window details, and then select a details panel. Okay, then we go window, details, and details 1. It's selected already. Already selected. I lost the window. There. So window details and then select details panel. Go to the outliner panel and enter island settings in the search bar. Outliner. Okay, this one, yes, okay. And I need to search for island settings. Where are island settings? What did it find now? What is this? What is this? Island settings. So we found it. What is that? It looks like a, I don't know. What the hell is that? It's like an object or something. Okay. So then island settings, yes, island settings, device. But I think I need to make more space over here so that I can read what is written there. Like that, yes. So we have world. Yeah, we have world. Fortnite tutorial editor, world. And island settings device. Okay, you can resize the outliner panel or other panels for better visibility by clicking and dragging the edge of the panel to change its width or height. Okay, I can resize the outliner panel, which is this. Okay, yeah, I did already. Yes, by clicking and dragging the edge of the panel to change its width and height. You can also move the panels in the editor. Yes, I already did that. I already changed the size because I couldn't read like the table, the grid basically. And by the way, I'm just thinking right now, how do we activate the grid in on this editor? Because there was a way to activate the grid in Roblox Studio. I hope that they will tell me how to set up the grid. I like to have the grid activated. Click on Island Settings 0 device to open the device user options in the details panel. Click on Island Settings 0, yes, to open the device user option in the details panel below the outliner. Open the device user options. Okay. Do I need to double click or what? No, it's not doing the double click. Do I need to do? Do I need to do right clicking on this? No, I don't. I don't understand. I don't understand this. Click on to open the device user options. Scroll to mode in details panel. Does it is there like are there options that I can click? I'm not sure. So there is edit. There's an edit. Yeah, there's an edit. Visibility, transform, snapping, pivot, group, attach to, validate, fix validation, launch session and start game from here. Pilot, move object, move camera, frame selected, replace selected actors, replace actor, save selected actors, copy selected actors, file path, browse to assets. Oh, I can see in the details. Oh, okay, sorry, I didn't see this. It means, oops, did I just close the details now? Great, I closed the details. Details 1 of, okay, details 1 of island settings 0. Okay, I think it means this one. Can I put it back to where it was before, like over there? No, doesn't let me. Cool. Okay, all right. I can't even put it back to where it was, the window. Yeah, whatever. Click on Island Settings Device to open Device User option in the Details panel. So we're now in the Details panel. That I closed by mistake, but it was already there. Actually, it was already in the already fixed on this editor. So, but apparently now I have no idea how to put it back to the. I don't know how to set it up like it was before now. And now it's like an extra window. So yeah, okay. So scroll to mode in Details panel and click the triangle. So there is a mode. Scroll to mode. Yeah, okay, there is mode. Mode. And in mode there is a general and round, I guess. Or not. Player, world, user interface, yeah. Edit mode, debug, legacy behavior, scoped, cosmetic. Okay, let's just open mode. And in mode we have structure, matchmaking settings, team settings, class settings. Ah, cool, there's class settings. Game start, spawning, elimination, scoring, voice chat, text chat, spectating, end condition, victory condition, post game. Okay. So if I go to the browser, so I need to scroll to mode. Yeah, we found mode in the details panel. And we need to click the triangle icon on the left to expand it. Yeah, we did it. Click on the icon next to the game setup. Click on the icon next to the game setup. Then on the drop-down list icon to enlarge it. Click on the icon next to the game setup. Click on the icon next to the game setup. Game setup. Which one is game setup? I see only game start. Which one is game setup? Click on the icon next to the game setup. Then on the drop-down list icon to enlarge it. I don't know what it means. Island settings, structure. Oh, I need to go to structure, okay. And then tell me that I need to go to structure and enlarge it. Why are you not telling me that right away? That's crazy. They can't even write a proper tutorial. What? It's crazy. Okay, structure. We go to structure. Yeah, structure. Okay, so we have max players 16. That's a lot. We have teams. Free for all. What type of team are we? Free for all. We have team size, which is dynamic. Okay, but one can do also teams. One can do also team index, cooperative, and custom. One can do team size 1 to 5, split evenly or dynamic, and the total rounds. Okay. So structure. Yeah, structure. And what I need to do? Click on the icon next to the game setup. Next to the game setup. I don't see any game setup. I don't know what it means. Then on the drop down list the icon to enlarge it. Set player limit to 1. This limits the game to 1 player. I see. I see. Player limit is 1 because we are doing single player. Search and expanded pickup points. What is this? Search. I need to search and expand pickup points. Okay, there is pickups under player. There is pickups. Player. Where is player? Player. I don't find player. Let's go for look. Just look for pickup. Pickups. There it is. Single player. Pickups. On okay. And then so we go to search and expand pickup points. Item capture is enabled by default. So I need to move the window because I don't understand what he's saying. Like this. So let's close all this. We don't need this. Okay, so he wants me to do allow item pickup. Yes. Auto pickups. Yes. And auto pickup almost default. Okay, what does it say in the guide? Search and expand pickup points. Item capture is enabled by default. Yeah, like it means probably the ammo, probably. Yeah, ammo pickup. Set both automatically pickup points. Automatically pick up point and automatically pick up weapons to yes. We need to do also yes on pickup ammo. No, pickup. Sorry, pickup. Automatically pick up points. Pick up pickups. Yes, and automatically pick up weapons to yes. Okay. Oh, I missed that one. So we need to do yes also on pick up. Oops. On pick up weapons. Yes. Okay. And then yes and yes. And then yes and yes. The player automatically picks up their weapon at the start of the game. Okay. Okay, it picks up the weapons and it picks up pickups. What is pickups? What are pickups? What are pickups in Fortnite? In Fortnite? In English. In English. In Fortnite, pickups or items are collectible objects that players can acquire to enhance their gameplay, primarily categorized into weapons, consumable, and materials. Okay, weapons and gear. These include firearms, melee weapons, shield items that are picked up to arm the player or restore health shields. Consumable items such as medkits, bandages, shield potions, and berries that restore health or provide temporary buffs. Okay. Okay. So you can heal in Fortnite. Materials. Resources like wood, brick, and metal used for building structures during combat. Yeah, of course. Yeah. Interaction on PC. Interaction on PC. The default pickup key is usually E, labeled as interact or use, while on consoles it is typically the square button. Players can also enable an auto pickup feature in settings that to automatically collect certain items. Okay, yes, of course, we just set it up, auto pickup, so that we can auto pick up stuff. Yeah. I see. So pickup is it is in general objects, items basically, and weapons. Okay, auto pickup. So we just set that up to. We just set it automatically that we can pick up automatically items in general and weapons. Yeah. So under construction mode. So under construction mode, I need to look where it is construction mode is. Set the allow construction option. Where is that? So we need to look for this thing as well. So we need to look now for construction. No, it doesn't find it. Why not? Why not? Cool. Also, it means I think it means in mode there is a construction part. Where is the construction part in mode? Elimination, scoring, voice chat, text chat, end condition, post game, round, player, world, user, debug, scoped. Under construction mode. Set the allow construction option to none. This prevents the player from building on the island. What is construction mode, guys? I looked for construction, but I could not find it. Construction option, but I don't find construction, which is pretty crazy. Why is there no construction? What about maybe world? So let's just let's look it up maybe manually. Maybe we can find it. So we have transform, which is not. We have structure, which is not. We have this matchmaking setting, which is not. We have team settings, which is not. Class settings, which is not. Game start, it's not game start. Spawning, it's not spawning. Eliminations, it's not elimination. Scoring, no. Voice chat, it's not voice chat. Text chat, it's not text chat. Spectating and condition. Victory condition. Post game. No, it's not this. General. Okay, round. End condition, post round, victory condition. Player, locker, controls, locomotion, health. Wow, oh, you can activate invisibility. Cool. That's cool, you can activate invisibility. Pickups, build mode, inventory, equipment. Player, world, friendly AI, vehicles, harvesting, ambience, physics. Okay. World, user interface, HUD, nameplate, map, scoreboard, patchwork. Edit mode, HUD, edit mode, debug, test players at game start. Test players, numbers of test players, test player behavior, custom set test, player definition, debug navigation, invincibility, verse, debug draw, test interaction mode, persistence behavior, debug, legacy behavior, scoped, and cosmetic. Oh, come on, I can't find construction. I can't find construction, guys. Wait. Am I maybe... No, it's probably... No, it should be here because this is the island settings. So I don't understand why I don't find construction over here. Construction. Okay, let's just Google it. So I can't find this. So, Fortnite editor tutorial is saying, it's telling me to change the construction settings on island settings. But if I look if I search in the details window of the island settings, I can't find anything under the word construction. So construction settings are not located within the island settings. Oh, okay, guys. But why didn't you tell me that in the tutorial? It's not in the island settings, okay? They are controlled by the building category within the mode settings of the island settings. To find the correct settings, open the details panel for your island settings device. Yes. Expand the mode section. No, it's in the mode section. It is in the mode section. What are you saying, Google AI? It is in the mode section. So mode section, yeah, I have mode section. But what I don't understand is why does it not find these construction settings? Why does it not find this mode? So in mode, what do I need to do in mode? What is this? Okay, mode. Look for the building subsection labeled building subsection. To adjust construction related options like resource amounts or build limit. I don't see any building section. What are you saying, Google AI? I only see structure. There's structure. Maybe it means structure. Building settings. So there is structure, there is matchmaking settings, there is team settings, class settings, game start, spawning, elimination, scoring, voice chat, text chat, spectating, end condition, victory condition, post game. There is structure here. Structure. Let's check this Structure settings, max player theme, team size, total rounds. It's not there. It's not there, guys. They moved it somewhere else. I don't know what's going on with the Google AI. It's not there. It's not in the mod. There is no building section for this. No, it doesn't work. Okay, let's look for ChatGPT. ChatGPT as well. Maybe ChatGPT knows better what I need to do. ChatGPT English. Um, where is ChatGPT? This? No, it's not this. So let's copy everything like this and over here. So Fortnite editor tutorial is telling me to change construction settings on island settings, but if I search in the details window of the island settings, I can't find the anything. I can't find anything under the word under the word construction. The tutorial may be outdated. A newer version of UEFN, there usually isn't a category literally called construction. Yes, of course, in island settings anymore. Yeah, that's why. Many building-related options were moved under player build mode or renamed. Under player, okay, build mode. Okay, player. Where we have a player. Player, we have locker, controls, locomotion, health, shields, self-damage, pickups, build mode. Okay, I found it, guys. I found the build mode. So it's not called construction mode, it's called build mode. Maybe it was the wrong translation, could be, because I was translating it from another language, the guide, so it might have translated also wrong the word. It might have just it might have just translated made a mistake in the translation. Yeah. So build mode. So we need to build mode under player in the Highland settings. So build mode. And what do I need to do in build mode? So Google AI wasn't able to help me, but ChatGPT was able to help me. Yeah, good to know. So I need to do allow build option to none. Okay. Allow build option building to none. There you go. So why is that? This prevents the player from building on the island. Okay, and why is that? I don't know. Why are the players not allowed to build on the island? Because they are players or what? But I mean, Fortnite is a building game, so why do I need to deactivate that? Scroll down under inventory and then select. I have to go to inventory. I need to go to inventory. What? Build mode none. Inventory. Where is inventory? Okay, inventory. Okay, so also inventory is also under player. And what do we need to do? Inventory. Scroll down under inventory and then select infinite magazine ammunition. Yes, save now. So what do I need to do? Scroll down under inventory and then select infinite magazine ammunition. Infinite magazine ammo. There it is. Now the player never runs out of munitions. Under equipment, set the environmental damage option to off. This way the player can only damage the targets you will later set up. Under equipment, set the environmental damage equipment. So let's look for equipment. Where's equipment? Equipment, this. It's also under player. And what we need to do, scroll down under inventory, select, okay. Under equipment, set the environmental damage option to off. This way the player can only damage the targets you will later set up. Environmental damage option. Environmental damage option. Environmental damage to off. Okay. So that it can only damage what I'm about to set up. Now you can add some devices to your island that equip players with weapons and targets to shoot at. Or we can add devices to our island. Okay. I'm already tired of this. Okay, well we almost finished. We just finished this, I think, and then I go flying. Moving the viewport camera. You can navigate the viewport using the mouse, keyboard, or a combination of both. Moving the viewport camera, you can navigate the viewport using mouse, keyboard, or a combination of both. Okay, to pan the camera, okay, this is easy. To pan the camera horizontally, hold down one of the two mouse buttons and then move the mouse to the right or left. Okay. Okay, let's close this. I hope it's saved. Like this, yeah, left or right, or like this. So I can either move with the left. I see. I can either move with the left by holding left, or I can move by holding right, but with the right I can't move. I see. But with the left I can move like forward and back and turn around. I see. Yeah, but it's some basic, everyone knows this. That's a basic thing in many editors. It is like this. to pan the camera. Yeah. To move the camera forward or backward, hold down the left mouse button and move the mouse forward and backward. Yes, we know that. To move the camera up or down, hold down the right mouse button and move the mouse forward and backward. Yeah, of course. I was thinking if we do also Minecraft, we do more also some Minecraft editing as well. I'm not sure, but I think we just do. I think we just do Roblox Studio, Fortnite editor, and then we do the R language, which is the university language for statistics and research. And Minecraft, maybe if I find someone that knows how to set up the console and Minecraft, we could do Minecraft maybe as well. But I think it's enough for now. We have like a shooter, we have Fortnite, and we have Roblox. Roblox. So to move the camera up or down, I did already this. Right mouse button, move the mouse forward and backward. We could actually do there some rounds on Fortnite, I think, after this, to test the game out, how it works. And you use the mouse wheel to zoom in and out. Yeah. Zoom in and out, of course. Mouse wheel. When you click on an asset and press the F button, okay, but I don't have any asset. Like this, I only have this guy over there and this. And I don't have even, I don't know even where, I don't even know where the window for the assets is. Like, it looks like everything is deactivated in this, in this, in this editor. Cinematics, content browser, outliner, viewports, word partition, place actors. So how do I add the, how do I add, how do I add the assets? I don't know. When you click on an asset and press the F button, the camera will focus on the assets and center it in the viewport. Yeah, let's try that. Maybe it works on this one as well. So if I do like that and then do F, okay, the camera is setting is center. It's like moving. Okay, yeah, that's useful. That's useful. So even there are even like different. I see. Yeah, these are different areas over here. I'm noticing now. I see. Different ground floors, basically. Yeah. But it looks fun. It looks fun. Much better than other editors that less known editors that I tried in the past. Looks fun. You can make some basic shooter and have some fun with it. Yeah, there will be probably it will be more complicated to learn the language part of the editor because it's apparently not as easy as Lua, as the language that is used in Roblox. Yeah, I think that we can do Minecraft, but maybe much later because I need to learn C++ or Java to do Minecraft. Yeah, probably Java. Yeah, Java is for the Java version, which is the most popular from what I could see. version of Minecraft that is played. So we would have to learn Java to do to also do some programming in Minecraft. So I think for now we will just set up. We'll just do Fortnite editor and Roblox editor. Save now. Yes, save. And so what now? So what is that? Yeah, here. Okay, I already checked the F button. The WASD buttons give you more control over your camera movement. To move the camera using these buttons, hold down one of the two mouse buttons and then press yes. What it doesn't say is that there is actually another way to move, which is with a middle mouse button, which is actually more useful, I think, because you can, like, it depends what you are doing. But I think it's cool that you can also, like with the middle mouse button, you can also move like all the way, I don't know, if I want to go there, up and down, I can move. That's actually much useful, I think. In some contexts, maybe it's easier. Okay, if I go then that direction, I see. So what to do? Second one. Okay. So what now? Okay, guys. Think we could just play some Fortnite, I think, and then I go offline. So what is the for the first time basically we could play Fortnite. I've never played it before. So I need to open the Epic Games launcher. Yeah. So let's go to Fortnite. Wird ausgeführt. What? What are you saying? I don't see Fortnite. Well, let's just start Fortnite. I don't know why it is not showing Fortnite in my library on the Epic launcher. I probably need to lower down the audio, maybe. That could be. So yeah, let's just lower down the audio just in case. I don't see Why I don't see I don't see Fortnite in the game list on the Epic Store launcher. Okay, so apparently Fortnite was already started, or maybe I can't. I need to close the editor first. So okay, let's just change the window to something else. Let's do it like this. We change the window to the Epic Good Games launcher. There you go. And then yes, then we close the other one. Oops. We don't need this. Yeah, we need to change that also on Epic Games Launcher. Yes, we need to change that also on Twitch, etc. on OBS. So and then we need to try to close the Unreal editor for Fortnite. Close this, yes, and then with the open, we try to open Fortnite again. Maybe it works now. Start. So apparently, no, not this one. No, not this. Yeah, Fortnite. Oh, did I mistake? No. Okay, now Fortnite you need to open, not the editor. Okay, Fortnite, and then it has to load the anti-cheat. Okay, Fortnite is loading. So let's test for the first time Fortnite. I'm not really into this kind of games like Fortnite, but I think of these games I only like Minecraft. Like even Roblox I don't really like. I play the Roblox, but it's not really something for me. Confirm. Uh, so group canal. I need to change also the settings of this. So mit Hilfe des sorry, I need to read something in German. Mit Hilfe des Sprachchat-Meldens können wir meldete Verstöße gegen unsere Community besser prüfen, dass das Sprachchat aktiviert. Sage das Gerät dieses Teilnehmer den Sprachchat-Ton fortlaufend alle 5 Minuten auf und sendet Ihnen nur dann in Epic Games, wenn ein Teilnehmer einen Verstoß meldet. Der Sprachchat-Melden ist für gewöhnlich aktiviert, aber nicht in Gruppen aus Freunden, die sich gegen das in der aktiviert, ja, egal. Oh yeah, sorry guys, I'm not showing you the game right now. So now let's do window and then add. Does it work now? Client. Yeah, it's working. There it is. And then we need to change that also on OBS. Where is that? I don't find it. Options. Like that. Okay. I need to deactivate the audio. This. Okay. So, where is the where is the so we need where are the settings in this game? Where are the settings in this game? Settings. Oh, there you go. So let's go to window mode, and then we need like that, and then we go to this. Yes. And yeah, little bit more light. So, and also what I need to change is probably audio to this, that, music, gameplay, like this, dialogue, Sprack chat, maybe 75, who knows. Let's do like 75, 65, Sprack chat. So if they are speaking, who knows, maybe it's too loud or something. So how about I change also the language of the game? So how to do that? How do I change the language of the game? There we go. Graphics, sync, rendering, brightness. I don't know, guys, where the language is. I don't see the language. What is the sound? Creator options. Maybe we could try the creative mode if it's possible. Text chat. Okay, Sprache und Region. Ah, okay, this one. Let's go English. Why is it not switching to English? English. Need to restart the game. Need to restart the game completely. Yes, okay. Okay, let's just finish all the things, and then I need to restart the game. Apparently, it was saying. So the window is okay from the size of the window is okay. Frame rate, that's too high. I think like 60 is okay. What else we have here? Colorblind mode. I don't know. Blur I don't like. And what else is there? Quality. Auto set quality. We just do high, I think. Let's do high. And we can do, what is this? Determines the resolution that objects are rendered in the game. Lower resolution can significantly increase frame rate. Dynamic 3D resolution is enabled. Resolution may increase from the specified value if the GPU load can still fit within. Yeah. Dynamic resolution. Automatically adjust the 3D resolution based on GPU load. Yeah, why not? It's not working. It's only available with TSR in the anti-aliasing. We don't have this anti-aliasing activated. High, far, high, etc. Balanced. DLSS uses deep learning to render high detailed images using fewer pixels, boosting your frame rates so you can maximize your graphic settings. Oh, sorry, I need to set up the stuff here on this, yeah, like that. And how about the other window? The other window is already set up, apparently. No, I know, and we need to, no, I need to resize a little bit here, over here as well. Okay, and we need to close also the other window, which is this. Yeah. All right. So do we need to restart the game or it's okay like this? Because I see that the language actually already changed. So I'm really wondering why is it? Oh my God, what happened now? The windows changed. What the hell is going on? 1610. Why is the window like this now? Why is the window like this now? Oh my God. Restore to default. Yes. No. What is this now? No. Something is not working. Let's go back to full screen maybe. I'm not really sure. It's not working, guys. My God. Do I need to restart the game now? Oh my God. I had exactly the same thing that happened when I was playing a library back. Why is it opening? Why is it like this now? Let's restart the game. Can I close it? Close. Close Fortnite, yes. Let's restart Fortnite. What is the editor? So I hope that we don't have the same issue as before. No, maybe it's starting like the same way as before. Yes, it's starting the same way as before. What is going on with this? Text reporting. No, it's starting the same way as before. So there is something that's not working. There is something that's not working. Like the window is not starting as it should be starting. Why I can't see the thing over here? So we have that. Okay. Yeah, I need to learn how to set it up correctly now. This I don't know what the hell happened to this thing. Let's go back. Let's go back to settings. Settings. So what did I do that now it's showing it like this? This one maybe? No? This one maybe? It's not working. This one? No? Can't no, I can't move it. It's like this always. You know what? This happened when I was using the old laptop. It was going like this as well. It was opening the window like this. So it's the same thing that happened before. So it must be related to the to the television, I guess. Maybe the television is like changing something in the settings. Don't really know what. Auto set quality. No, I don't know, guys. I have no idea what it is, why it's doing like this. I don't know what's going on. Let's try to change to to window full screen. Maybe it fixes this. Keep change. Okay, and then if we go back to window again, apply. No, it's still showing like this. Do we need to play this game in window full screen because it's not working in other ways? Otherwise, apparently yes. So we need to play this game in window full screen because it's not working. Keep changes. Okay, let's do that. Let's do that. No problem. Only thing is I can't read the chat, the multi-chat like this. I can't read the multi-chat like this. Like this. So okay, now I have this, and then On TikTok, the window is already set up. Okay, let's just try like this, even though it's a window the full screen, unfortunately. But I can read one chat. I can read one chat. I can read the TikTok chat, but the other one is hidden. So what do we do? Do I maybe I get my other phone? Yeah, I just do that. So I didn't recharge this. Okay, didn't charge. Charge this. Okay, is it still showing? It's still showing the other stream. Why is that? It's still showing the other stream, apparently. Okay, I opened it, opened the other. I just opened the other app. So let's try Fortnite creative on creative back. So how does this work? We have play. So we were doing before the editor, Fortnite editor, and now we try a little bit of the game itself. Categories recents by Epic following Discover. Control your voice chats. Easily mute your mic or block all chat audio right here. Deport chat or change your settings. So yeah, we'll have to look into it. But I think today let's just try something easy. If I push play, what happens? Nothing or what? How does it even work here? Career, what's career? Ah, okay. Compete, quest, passes, locker, introducing sidekicks. Sidekicks are special allies that stay by your side in every match. No, I don't know. Your sidekicks accompany your character during the game. Okay. Use the drop-down menu to load and save new presets. Can I change the character as well or not? Apparently I only have this character. Welcome to the Fortnite shop. Before you check out all the awesome things in the shop, please keep in mind items in the shop may look cool, but they don't give you an advantage or boost performance. Not all items are usable in all experiences. Be sure to check the top left corner. The shop refreshes daily, usually at 2 a.m. At the time, currently available items may rotate or leave. New items may be added, etc. etc. Got it? I see. Sprites. Choose your starting sprite. Bring your sprite into a battle match, royal match with power. Fire sprite. Okay, cool. Fire sprite, earth sprite, water sprite, fire. Let's do earth sprite. Choose. Find other sprites by opening chest. Let's go. Okay, then if I am on play, I can only do battle royale or what? Following, discover, categories. What are categories? Okay, I see. Current battle royale, current lobby, blitz wars, blitz royale, steal the brain rot, peace control 2 versus 2, party golf. Oh, there's a party golf. What's this? Trending, yeah. There's reload. What else? There's Star Wars Droid Tycoon. What's that? Lego Fortnite Odyssey. Okay, so box PvP. Crazy Red versus Blue. 1 versus 1 with every gun. Go goated. Rogue like. Prison Escape. What's this? Escape roguelike new. Backroom. So it's basically a little bit like Roblox. You have different games apparently, from what I can understand, because you can create different islands. Star Wars roguelike, Escape from Prison, Ravas PvP, Brain Rot roguelike, Squid Game Escape, Star Wars Breakout, Prison Break, Luke Skywalker, Star Wars roguelike, Dragon Kingdom, the Backroom Escape, Crop Escape, Raptor Heist, Walker's Earth, Stranger Things. Ah, there's Stranger Things. Horde Escape, Area 51 Escape, SCP Containment, Star LARP, Mafia Heist, The Living Tombstone, Mission Paris, Mission Venice, Fantasy Dungeon, Diamond Heist, Catnap, Hallway, Zombie Escape, Rogue, Prison, Dark Descent, Star Wars Little Labs, Guess the Brain Rot, Shelter, Ritual, Brain Rots, Stranger Things, Relic Hunter, Survive the Infected. Oh, that sounds cool. I like those kind of games. I used to play that on Garena Free Fire, which is a mobile shooter, pretty popular mobile shooter. I actually played shooter, but I played them on mobile. I played Call of Duty Mobile. I think also PUBG Mobile that I played as well. Guess the correct logo. Roguelike, Mansion Heist, Mission Amsterdam, Star Wars Rebel, Mega Chaos, Roguelike, Cornfield Massacre. There is Planet Mutated Sniper One Shot. Got 1 vs 1 all guns. Mafia Heist. I see. Okay, how do I go back? Ask or what? Mm. So, Simulation Tycoon, go up for Brain Rots, Star Wars Droid, still the Brain Rot. Be fat for Brain Rots. What's Brain Rots? Murder Mystery. Popular. Okay, what is popular right now? Oops, I closed the chat. I closed the TikTok chat now. Like this. So, Murder Mystery. Midnight at Chuckles. Go up for Brain Rots. Can one do parkours games in Fortnite? I wonder. Papa's Escape Pizza. There's Papa's Pizzeria Hobby. There's a hobby. Okay. Okay, there are hobbies also in Fortnite. Easy Death Run, Kicker Lucky Rot, Fight the Brain Rot, Only Up Drive Parkour. Oh, you can do parkour. 500 levels default. Maybe we can do parkour. Why not? Let's do some parkour. Only up cars. This sounds like cool. Let's try that one. I can't see the sound, unfortunately. How high is the sound of this? It doesn't say. I think sound is low. I think sound is a little low. Or maybe it deactivated the sound, could be. Yeah, maybe now. Maybe now it's activated. No. Mm, back. Is my sound not working? What's going on? Is my microphone working now? Yeah, microphone, it looks like it's working. Yeah, microphone, it looks like it's working. Yeah, microphone is working, but the like this audio from the game. I'm not sure if it's working. Let's try this parkour. Only up drive parkour public play. Okay, we're in. Okay, we have also another character now. We have a different character apparently. It's lagging, I think, a little bit. Yeah, it's lagging. Probably need to lower something. Crown 40, what's going on? Oh, there's a lot of lag, look at that. So, I need to get a car. Let's get this car. This black, I like this guy as well. Okay, audio is working. Okay, perfect. So what do I need to do? Do I have to get these crowns, or what is the point of this? Or follow the crowns, I don't know. Level 1. Okay, now it's working. Okay. Okay, I can travel back. How do we say? I can drive backwards. Oh, now I can get these crowns. Someone is just stopped over there. Why is that? Someone went AFK, I think, in the middle of the road. And there was a truck in the middle of the road. What's this? Crowns. That's this quite, it's actually okay. It's chilled. There's no shooting. So you can also do this kind of stuff in Fortnite, apparently. What's this? Oh my god, there was a like Something just fell on top of my car. There's no lag. There was lag only downstairs, but now I see no lag. Oh my god, I think I missed it. No, I managed. Oh, I managed, guys. Wow, that was unexpected. I didn't think there was something like that. I'm not that. I don't know why I traveling so slow. I'm traveling so slow. Level 1. Oh, am I falling down? Yeah, this is such cool. What is this guy doing here? Fortnite has such cool like landscapes and cars and stuff. There's a lot of nice assets. Who would have thought? Look at the water over there. I wonder what happens if I fall down. If I fall down, do I need to start from all over again if I fall down? What is that? There was a rock, a rolling rock sphere. Okay. So cool. One could create parkours, I guess, because they are also islands. I think. So one could create with the editor parkours like this. Cool. I want to make my own parkour in Fortnite. So. Oh my god, what was that? Yeah, they should add more traps. There is not enough traps in this parkour. I mean, or maybe because I'm a level 1. Oh, now there are traps. Oh, I see. There is something. There was a rolling rock over there. What now? Wow, there's a lava. Yeah, there's a lava area. So we need to go left. Oh, now we are in a city. Cool. We went for a portal and we are in a city. Okay. And what now? But why the car is driving at such a low speed? We're traveling at 60. Is there a... Okay, moment. Okay, there is something over there. Handbrake, switch seats, exit, I don't know. What is this button? I fell down. No, I'm still there. Wow, no, I made it. Be sure to favorite. But why the sphere just exploded like that? Like, why these rocks are exploding instead of rolling? I mean, the rocks are not really a problem for me. So, like, I see no challenge in this parkour. I don't know why they made it so easy. Is it because I just started the parkour? Maybe it becomes more difficult with the time. I'm not sure. You can't even restart because it's like working. Who is this guy over here? There's another someone left the car on the parkour. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, I made it. Experience reward. Playtime 30 minutes. Let's start. Let's go. Butter biome. I don't see anything here. Whoa, what happened now? Did I just crash my car now? So there was some challenge there. I don't know if I can break my car. I mean, it's working now, but... They should make like a parkour but on hard mode or something like that. What happened? They should make like a parkour that you can select what difficulty you want to have, something like that. Then you get teleported. Like easy, medium, high difficulty. That might be cool, more challenging, like instead of having only one difficulty. Or maybe this one would be more difficult. But for now, I'm still playing. It's already level 2. I mean, a rock fell on me, but I'm still like my car is still okay. I feel like. What happened now? Did I just turn around? What's this? Oh, now there is the new level or what? Oh my god, what's going on now? What's going on? Oh, I'm falling down. Not good. Not good, guys. I think I don't know what hell happened, but I think I'm dead. I fell down, so I need to restart again. I see. Update panel. Changing cabin. Daily rewards. Skip levels. Open store. Vehicle upgrades. Okay, cool. So what other vehicles we have? Okay, let's try another game. Look at how many people are here. Game members. That's a lot of people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people playing this. That's a lot of people. What is this? How do I get out of the game? With this? No, exit. Save the island, yes. Return to lobby. So, what do we want to play now? play, and then quest, no, play, new vehicle. Play. Career shop. I don't know where the other games are. Back? Yeah, back. So play and then trending. I don't know how to select the other games in this shop. No, locker. I don't know. I can't really change much here apparently. Cars, instruments, character. I don't know, guys. I only see now these games. Before I could see the whole list of the games, but now I can only see this explained. Close. What is this? Save the island. What is party golf? What is this? Let's try this. I don't know. Also, I don't understand how to switch between creative mode and yeah, battle royale mode. So I see battle royale mode, but I don't know where the creative mode is of Fortnite. Practice. Let's go for practice. Play. Oh, cool. It's really mini golf. Okay, hold. What the hell? Hold and release. Okay, now it's working. It was not enough. Oh, I see. So, okay. So I need to do maybe like 70% or 50%. Let's do 50%. That's too much. Okay, but we did 70%. Let's try to do like 30%, 60. Almost there. 60. 60 was good. Oh, we won. And then this one might be like full, I guess. 70. And then 60. That's 40. Okay. Almost, guys. We made it. We won. Yeah, we won. There you go. GG, good game. So let's do 7 full, maybe 60. No, we needed to do like full, I think, full shoot. Let's do 60 now, or 40. Okay, let's try now full. Oh, I got 50. But we won, so 50 works. But I wanted to do actually 100, yes. 100 is too much. Yes, too much. 100 is too much. $60 is too much. $60. Okay, we managed to with 60 because there was a wall apparently. And we are in 100. 80. We got 80 now. Okay. Okay, we bounced off the wall. So it worked. Okay, cool. So if I want to play mini golf, I can play mini golf on. I can play mini golf on Fortnite. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people playing this. Like, let's save the island, return to lobby. And one can do parkour, one can do mini golf in this game. That's a lot of stuff. Let's go back. So one has reload, etc. Career. I don't know, guys. I don't know how to check what other games are there. Chat. Close. Anyway, guys, I think I go offline. Yeah, thank you for watching, and see you next time. So, hope you enjoyed the stream. Let's go offline. No, thanks. See you next. Let's copy this. And then add this in the chat for where is the chat for OBS? Yeah. There you go.